Welcome to Akhyar Studio, your gateway to visionary architecture, home design ideas, and inspiring interior designs. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a tiny indoor garden in a modern house, and why it's a great idea for your well-being and your style.
Have you ever dreamed of having a garden in your home, but felt discouraged by the lack of space or time? If so, you are not alone. Many people living in modern houses face the same challenge of finding a way to bring some nature into their urban lifestyles. Fortunately, there is a solution: tiny indoor gardens. These are small, creative, and easy to maintain gardens that can fit in any corner, wall, or shelf of your house. In this article, we will show you how to create a tiny indoor garden in a modern house, and why it is beneficial for your well-being and your environment. Space utilization. One of the main advantages of tiny indoor gardens is that they can fit in any space, no matter how small or awkward. Modern houses often emphasize minimalism and efficient use of space, which can make them feel cold and impersonal. Tiny indoor gardens can add some warmth and personality to your home by utilizing vertical space or small corners that might otherwise go unused. For example, you can hang some plants from the ceiling, mount them on the wall, or place them on a windowsill. You can also use shelves, ladders, or racks to create multiple levels of plants. The key is to be creative and find the best spot for your tiny indoor garden. Aesthetic appeal. Another benefit of tiny indoor gardens is that they can serve as a focal point or accent piece, adding visual interest and a sense of tranquility to your space. A tiny indoor garden can also complement the contemporary aesthetic of your modern house by choosing sleek, minimalist containers or geometric planters that match your color scheme and style. You can also experiment with different shapes, sizes, and textures of plants to create contrast and variety. A tiny indoor garden can make your home look more inviting and cozy, while also reflecting your personality and taste. Biophilic design. A third reason to create a tiny indoor garden in a modern house is that it can help you connect with nature, which is essential for your mental and physical health. Biophilic design is a concept that seeks to incorporate elements of the natural world into the built environment, to foster a sense of well-being and connection to the environment. Indoor gardens are a perfect example of biophilic design, as they bring some greenery and life into your indoor space. Studies have shown that exposure to nature can reduce stress, improve mood, enhance creativity, and boost productivity. By having a tiny indoor garden in your home, you can enjoy these benefits every day, even if you live in a busy city. Plant selection. Of course, not all plants are suitable for a tiny indoor garden in a modern house. You need to consider factors such as the size, shape, color, and maintenance requirements of the plants, as well as the amount of light and humidity in your space. Some of the most popular choices for tiny indoor gardens are low-maintenance plants such as succulents, air plants, and small leafy greens. These plants require minimal care and can thrive in indoor environments with limited natural light. They also come in a variety of shapes and colors, which can add some diversity and charm to your tiny indoor garden. Lighting considerations. While some plants can survive with little light, most plants need some exposure to sunlight to perform photosynthesis and grow. Since modern houses often feature large windows and open floor plans, natural light may be abundant in some areas of your home. However, for tiny indoor gardens situated in darker areas or during seasons with less sunlight, you may need to provide some supplemental lighting to ensure your plants remain healthy. One of the best options for this is LED grow lights, which are energy efficient, long-lasting, and emit a full spectrum of light that mimics the sun. You can also adjust the intensity and duration of the LED grow lights, depending on the needs of your plants. Maintenance. One of the advantages of tiny indoor gardens is that they are generally easier to maintain than larger outdoor gardens. However, this does not mean that you can neglect them completely. You still need to perform some basic tasks to keep your plants thriving, such as watering, pruning, and occasional fertilizing. The frequency and amount of these tasks will depend on the type and condition of your plants, as well as the climate and season. You can also use some tools and gadgets to make your maintenance easier, such as self-watering pots, moisture meters, and pruning scissors. By taking good care of your tiny indoor garden, you can ensure that it stays beautiful and healthy for a long time. Functional gardens. Finally, a tiny indoor garden in a modern house can also serve a functional purpose beyond aesthetics. For example, a small herb garden in the kitchen can provide you with fresh ingredients for cooking, while also adding some fragrance and flavor to your space. A vertical garden can help improve your indoor air quality by filtering out pollutants and producing oxygen. A medicinal garden can offer you some natural remedies for common ailments, such as mint for headaches, lavender for insomnia, and aloe vera for burns. A tiny indoor garden can also be a source of learning and entertainment, especially for children, who can observe the growth and development of the plants and interact with them. Conclusion. As you can see, creating a tiny indoor garden in a modern house is not only possible, but also beneficial for your well-being and your environment. A tiny indoor garden can help you make the most of your space, enhance your interior design, connect with nature, choose the right plants, ensure enough light, keep your plants in good shape, and make your garden more than just a decoration. By following these tips and tricks, you can create a tiny indoor garden that suits your needs and preferences, and enjoy the beauty and benefits of nature in your home. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about tiny indoor garden in a modern house. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Akhyar YouTube channel for more content like this. You can also leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this tropical paradise or share your own tips and ideas. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.